Hey guys, Jonathan here from Redeem Creations. Just wanted to show you the slider wallet today and show you the capacity of this. So really slim profile on this wallet. I like to put 3 cards in each pocket, so 3 cards fits really easily right here. And then we have 3 more that will go in here. You can actually fit cash in the middle right here. So this opens up and your cash will slide right in like that nicely. And then on the back, this is my favorite. This is the slider pocket. So 3 cards go in here. And then the nice part about this is it has a quick access for you. So hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for all the support.